Hi friends, let me show you this bed frame that I received for reviewing purposes. It is a queen size bed and we are going to put it together here for my daughter. Okay, let's do it. Every part has a number on it, so it's easy to put it together, okay? Everything has a number, so it's really easy to put it together. As you can see, the back is really nice, it's white, and it has these nice lines. Now you can see how beautiful the bed looks with this nice white back and the matching front of the bed frame. So I think it's really beautiful for a girl, for a lady, even though you could use it for a man also, but I think it's more suited for a lady. Okay, so if you need a new bed, you can really choose this one. Thank you.